I'm literally just sitting on the floor right now. I got all this stuff that I'm about to go through and organize and make it look better, because I just ordered a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon that's gonna go over here in this area. So we trying to get this together so that when it's time to put it in, it's just nice and ready to go. So I got these little organizers right here from Family Dollar. Okay. I got them. Okay. I think these was like $5 each, and I was just like, you know what? They are so small and cute. So I just got them. Oh, I'ma just put all these little teeny tiny things like this that's just in buckets like this, and I can barely find what I need. I'ma just organize it by what it is. So right here is all my keychains. And here I'm gonna put all the stuff to make necklaces with. And then up here I got earring hooks and backs. So I'm just gonna go through and like take all the paper off the Michael's little things that I got. As you can see, I got a little pile of trash right there. And I'm gonna just make it look nice in the drawers like this. And these stamps, I hate when they put stickers on stuff like this, because it's so hard to get it off. Like, don't nobody got time to be sitting here all day getting these stickers off. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna let y'all watch me and come back and chat with y'all when it's done.
You are going to get that sticker all day.
I have been doing that sticker all day. You didn't think I want to sit here and take that sticker off all day soon? Yes, yes. You can go ahead and say what you gotta say.
Some cook is actually doing her own thing. So just not wash and yarn and then you would be good. Thank you.
And tell y'all something real quick. Do y'all see the difference in the tone of gold that this is? Like, that makes me so upset, because it's just too many different types of gold. Like, I don't know. I don't like that though. So, progress update. As you can see, I got a whole mess going on right here, but we're gonna get it together. All I'm trying to do right now is figure out where to put this stuff so it makes sense and that it's not big and bulky like this. Like, I want to take these out of here. I'm also using my little clear, how do you say it, cellophane bags to put like little stuff in. Like, I'm gonna put some of these beads in here. First of all, I just want to say I can't wait to make something with these beads, because yes ma'am, they're so pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and I'll probably just come back when I got most of the stuff out the way. Price of trying to be organized, like, that's crazy. That's wild. That's real wild. But we about to get this together real quick. Got the trash can right here. Oh, what the hell is this? Got the trash can right here. So I'm about to just clean up, and I'll be back to show y'all me organizing. Okay, so so just got done cleaning up all that trash and stuff. Now I'm going to go through and like I guess, do the same thing I did down here, but just like look up here and see what I don't really need up here, and then try to plan out what makes sense. You know what I mean? Like just make it make sense. That's all I'm doing. Just trying to make it make sense, you know? So let me just tell y'all what's up here first of all. So up here is just literally random stuff on the first like 2 shelves, which is like decor stuff that we didn't know what to do with yet. So actually this one right here has some of my jewelry pieces in here that broke. And then I just have some shells in there. So I'm gonna just like take this all out. I got some random stuff up here. This don't even need to be up here. So I'm gonna take this. And then on the second shelf, we got some books. Like I said, we just set this up so that it looked cute for the time being. I always kind of knew that I'm gonna use this for my jewelry stuff, but I didn't have a lot of my inventory yet. So as I'm getting more stuff, I'm figuring out that I like the way this looks, but it's really cluttered. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go through this. So right here is just a bunch of random decor stuff. This shelf is just random stuff too. This is some of my clay, and this is just some rope stuff and then down here is majority of my inventory. That's not even true because I got all this stuff. Whatever. Anyway, this little container right here is for my business cards right now. It also has my cellophane bags in it. It has my display cards in here too. This one is for my poly mailers. This one is for my unopened clay. Actually, I'm lying because I guess some of it is open, but it's supposed to be unopened. This is just, what is this? Oh, this is my gold foil stuff. I can't wait to use this, y'all. I gotta find somewhere to put this. This is just a rolling pin that needs to go somewhere. This is a little ruler. Back here we have, I didn't really have nothing really to put in here, so I kind of just put stuff in. It's just like the clay, liquid clay stuff. My little acrylic roller and sheet thing, and some of my earring holders right there. And then this one is just all the jewelry that I had already packaged up. And yeah, and then down here I just have some of my tools in these dollar store containers, which I do like, but I don't know. I don't want everything to be mixed match, so I don't know. Back here is my little letter cutter things, and then this is just a broken tripod that I need to do something with. This is my pasta or clay maker thing. And that's loud. This is my clay press, sorry. This is like, I guess like for my clear bag. I'm gonna just get this together and then I'll come back when it's, yeah. So this is where we at right now. Got the shelf all cleared out. Everything back on the floor. So we gotta basically just figure out where I want all this stuff to go.